Hey guys, Coach D here. I'm here with Laura. She has volunteered to learn a couple of basketball drills. Before this video, we've warmed up, everything's good, we're ready to go. Her shoes are tied, she's dressed for basketball. So the first drill that I want to go into today is your basic dribbling of basketball. And what that's going to look like is you want like a low stance. You never want to like palm the ball from the bottom to the top. You always want to keep your fingers touching the top of the ball, staying low and kind of staying over the ball in control. So let's see if Laura can do that. Great job. Now you notice she's hovering over the ball and she's keeping her fingertips on that ball and in control. Now next for dribbling, what I want her to do is pretend that, like there's a defender coming up on her, and I want her to put her wing out and just move forward with the ball. Are you staying low? Great job. Just like that. So that's your first skill in basketball that you pretty much need to know how to do, is dribbling. Next, we're going to move to just your basic two-hand step pass. So what I want Laura to do is just get over there. And what I want to do is I want to have two hands kind of like on the sides, on the back of the ball. And when I step, I want my elbows and my body to push forward and through the ball to where the pass kind of looks like this. It goes right to her. So let's see if she can do it. Great job. One more time. Notice how she's stepping in the direction of her target and she's passing that ball. Next, I want to show her a bounce pass. This is really useful when you're trying to like weave the ball in and out of defenders and passing it further down the court. So what I want her to do is just step, use that same motion with the two elbows and shoulders and bounce it, maybe about midway. That's a perfect pass right there. All right, so that's going to bring us into our third skill of basketball. We got the dribbling down, we got the passing down. Next, what we want to move into is the shooting. You can't score points in basketball if you don't know how to shoot. So basically, what you want to do is when you shoot, you want to have, are you right-handed? Okay, she's right-handed. She wants to have her right hand on top of the ball and her left hand on the side of the ball, kind of as a guide. And what she's going to want to do is kind of square up with the goal, and she's going to crouch. And look how my right elbow is a 90-degree angle. And what she's going to do is just let that ball roll off of her fingertips. So let's take a shot. Is just work on that 90-degree angle and just make sure that the threads are just coming back. Let's see if you can do it. Don't worry about shooting. Great job. You see how she flicks her fingers and the ball is rolling backwards? Do it again. That's exactly what you want. All right, next, what I want Laura to do is I want her to put her left hand on the side of the ball as a guide and do the same thing in the air. Perfect. Great hand movement. Do it again. Notice how she crouches, the ball's going up, the threads are spinning backwards. All right, now let's put all of that together. She's going to be squared away with the goal, and she's going to take a nice, clean shot. Perfect. So, thanks, Laura. That's your basic 3 skills of basketball.